Welcome to my channel Subhash Info. I hope you are all well. Let me tell you sad news, the biggest earthquake in Mexico. I will explain in detail this video. If you are new my channel, please first subscribe my channel and press bell icon, then new video reach you. Today the biggest earthquake in Mexico. Earthquake hit tall building, shopping mall and roads. But the good news is that no one was killed. May Allah protect us from all such climates. If you like my video, please like this and subscribe my channel and let me know in the comments. Thank you.